morning, everyone. Good morning from Da Nang, Vietnam. Guys, I just arrived here last night around 12:30, guys. Like, it was middle of the night. One of the things that is just like, I believe maybe is easy. Okay, let me show you guys my room first, guys. I'm in Da Nang, Vietnam, next to the beach. Like, I have a beach, I have a sea view from here. I hope you guys can see it. I have a beach view, sea view. So fairly very quiet, a little bit far from the noises, which I really like. I really like this area, guys, because it's just less noisy. And there's no construction, thanks God, front of me over there. So let me guys show you guys my room. This is a superior room, guys. I have a nice comfortable bed. Air conditioning a little bit makes noise, but the size is just like a small studio, guys. I have a couch here. I have a big fridge there. I have a stove. Everything is spotless clean. And this is the #1 budget hotel in Da Nang 2024. So it's spotless clean. There is no mold issue, no nothing. So the washroom water pressure was very good. A lot of hot water and spotless clean. One thing that I really like it, spotless clean. And I have a dining table here. It's just like a studio. You can stay here long term, guys. Like, it's just like you have everything that you need. There's a couch, there's everything. There's a bed, there's big TV, all the cooking pots. So it is very well equipped for a long stay, guys. There's a nice TV here. I was planning to extend it, but apparently I booked here for 3 days just for the test drive. But apparently it's booked. So maybe I'm gonna go somewhere and then come back here because I like it. It's very quiet. One of the biggest problem in Da Nang, noise. But this one is very quiet and it's very well equipped. Internet is good, everything is good. You know, the only problem, air conditioning a little bit makes noise. And I told them to fix it. Anyways, guys, what I want to tell you guys, maybe for people that doing traveling, you know, sometimes, you know, just every year 1 or 2 times, you know, it doesn't bother you what I'm gonna say. But for people like me that traveling full time, sometimes dealing with the bloody airport and here and there is just a nightmare, guys. What happened was, Bali, it's just nothing to do with Bali. It is nothing to do with Thailand. It's just like when there is so much tourists, people that working at the airport, people that working in the restaurant, people that working in the hotel, they don't appreciate tourists anymore. It's just like yesterday, guys, in Bali, flying from Bali to Ho Chi Minh City, because I had to fly from Bali to Ho Chi Minh City. Then I was in transit for 3 hours and then flight here. But I'm just trying to make sure you guys understand how everything is just more disciplined in Vietnam, which I really like. So in Bali, it was a bloody fucking chaos, guys. It was a fucking chaos. So for example, you get in your boarding pass, and the boarding pass, first of all, it was a 2 Indian guy and 2 Indian girls. They had a lot of luggage. Guys, I don't know where these people coming from. I don't know what is their culture is. This culture is very strange. Indian culture is one of the most strangest things I've ever seen in my life. Guys, they took one check-in lady, check-in girls, roughly 2 hours to deal with these people because it was a long wait, working very slow, and these Indian people taking stuff, putting stuff back. They bring food with themselves. I don't know, some strange things that like 5 different check-in girls had to deal with them. It's just like, I don't know who is these people. I don't know how these Indian people mentality works. Like, if I stay in check-in desk for 2-3 hours, I go nuts. Like you don't know what is inside your luggage. It's just like it was unbelievable. They had to throw a lot of food and everything out. Like Indian people traveling with food. I don't know what is this. Like they had a lot of food that they stopped them and said you have to remove it. Like it's just like chaos. It was Bali. It was a chaos, guys. Like finally, I I went. I got my boarding pass. So now my boarding pass says gate 6B. So okay, I find 6B. Now we're standing there. You know the area that you sit in just before boarding? All of a sudden, two security guys came in. They put some table, chairs, whatever, and say everybody needs to leave this area. Why? No explanation. Exactly like Thailand. Exactly. No explanation. They don't give a shit. You have to leave. This is security guys with the blue shirt. No explanation. So everybody asking, a lot of old people, like sitting, they cannot stand up. No, you have to leave. So now we left there. Now our gate is 6B. So now we're standing in front of 6B. I'm saying to the security guy, I'm saying, dude, this is the boarding pass. This is 6B. So why are you kicking us out? I don't know. Like he was going after me. Like I was just asking, this is a 6B. Why are we leaving? So now all of a sudden, it's just no announcement, no nothing else. Somebody came in and says, 6B changed to 6A. Now everybody walking to 6A. Again, they put some sort of chair and table or whatever. They blocked 6A. So I'm telling another security guy again with the blue shirt. They are so rude. Exactly the mentality of these places that there's so much tourism. Same thing. Like we don't care who you are, what you are. It doesn't matter in hotel. It just, they lost it, It's just they don't want to do anything. They got lazy, So I'm asking the security guy. He said, where are you going? Where are you going? I said, dude, this guy, you see, this is from airline, says 6B, 6A, change to 6A. He started screaming at me. I said, why are you screaming? Like I don't fucking understand what you're saying, first of all. Number two, look at it. 6B changed to 6A. Why are you fucking screaming? I got like really tired. So after that, when he saw like I'm going after him, he said like that, I don't know. Go anywhere you want. It's just like crazy. Now everybody is standing there. No explanation, guys. Like we don't know. 6A, 6B, where are we going? They're taking us from 6B to 6A. Just a disaster, guys. Now I don't want to go to too much details, but it's just like a chaos. Same treatment that you get in the airport in Thailand, that they don't give a shit, they want to cause, whatever, like they change your gate without announcement, like somebody comes in, no sign, no nothing, come here, come there. It's just like people just walking. It was a chaos. But when I arrived in Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam doing a lot of things right, because first of all their system is a little bit straightforward. So I didn't have no problem, guys. It's just like checking everything went good. I had to collect my luggage and it was a disaster, guys. Like, I mean disaster, no, I didn't have any issue, but the issue is, guys, like when you're traveling constantly, it's just sometimes like I cannot take it, because my flight was 3:30. I had to leave my hotel 12 o'clock. And in the Bali traffic, took me 1 hour to get to the airport. Now you're going through this nightmare to fly out from Bali. And then the whole process takes about 14 hours, guys. Like yesterday, flying from Bali to Da Nang, the whole process from the moment that I took the taxi in Bali up to here took me 14 hours. And it's exhausting, guys. It's just like seriously, sometimes like my body doesn't take it, constantly like moving from one hotel to another hotel. And anyways, guys, so now I gotta go do a few things. I need a SIM card first. After that, I have to go to the bank machine. I'll show you guys. There's a bank machine here. It doesn't cost ATM fee. Sorry guys, I have a cold too. So Yeah, there's an ATM machine here that doesn't charge you any fees. So I'm gonna go there, withdraw money. I don't have enough money. I have to get the SIM card. I'll show you guys the beaches, and then we're coming back. So let's carry on, guys. I hope you guys like it. There's a swimming pool up the stairs. This is a very small hotel. It's just like each floor, I guess, like 3 rooms, 7 floor, like 20 rooms here, and it's very good. As I said, it's the #1 budget hotel in Da Nang 2024. And I don't see anything bad. It's just very extremely clean. It's very nice, but the only thing is yeah, so that's the situation, guys. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna get ready, put my shoes on, and we have to go and take care of the SIM card first, and then after SIM card I have to take care of the maybe I'm gonna get the haircut. I have lots to do, guys, and we're gonna go to the beach and walk through the beach. I'll show you guys the beach, but my room is lovely. So maybe you're going to ask me how much I'm paying here. So for 3 nights, guys, 3 nights with the breakfast was really bad. It's just so basic breakfast that I don't know, man. And be honest with you, I was aware of that because when I was reading the reviews, everybody was saying the breakfast is very basic. Yeah, breakfast was extremely basic, like nothing to eat pretty much. So yeah, that's the situation, guys. So the breakfast is not good, but the room for long stay is just lovely. Like if I don't know, I'm gonna check the Aguda again if there's the opportunity to book here again, because I like it. It's just very spacious and everything. So if I could do it, I'll do it. And that's it. So this is my room. Let's go take care of the business, and then coming back and we're gonna chill a little bit here, and the evening again we're gonna go film. So good to be back, guys. Good to be back in Da Nang, Vietnam. I love really Da Nang. Sunny day. It is not raining. And let's go and check it out, the beach and everything else, guys.